How to fix YouTube cast icon not showing. If you open your YouTube application and try to play any video, but you want to cast it to a different screen and it's not showing, I'm talking about this icon right here, then I'm going to show you how you can fix it. So on your home screen, you should see this icon right here if your app is up to date. So just tap on it and here it will ask you to select a device. But if you don't see this, then it's definitely a bug in the app. So it has nothing to do with your phone or anything. It's the bug in the app. So let's see how you can fix it. First, you need to go to YouTube's app info and here go to its battery usage. So I recommend you set it on optimize because if it's restricted, what the phone will do is it will restrict the activity that YouTube should be performing. But if it's on optimize, it's best for both your app and your phone. Once you do that, you have to go to permissions and allow all of these permissions because the app needs all of these to run smoothly. So make sure to allow all of those permissions. And after you do that, just go down to your storage, clear cache, and clear data once, so it will refresh the app and your bugs should be fixed. But if it still doesn't fixes it, then you can try to disable the app and then re-enable it and see if this solves the problem. That is all for today's video. I'll see you on the next one.